Hello, today we'll examine ARKON's GN097 lighter socket mount with power dongle. Your car's 12-volt accessory outlet, commonly referred to as a lighter socket, is an innovative and convenient location for mounting mobile devices in the car. As you may already know, some states such as California and Minnesota have restrictions on the use of windshield mounts. These laws help fuel the demand for alternative mount solutions such as a lighter socket mount. Depending on your own vehicle, the lighter socket location may or may not be situated up high in the vehicle. In some cars, the lighter socket is positioned fairly high on the console, thereby making it so you don't have to take your eyes off the road. However, the lighter socket location can also be positioned fairly low in the vehicle. Regardless of the location, you'll want to make sure to follow the instructions provided by the maker of your GPS with regard to the safe use of the navigation device in your vehicle. ARKON's GN097 is compatible with all of the Garmin Nuvi, as they all feature Garmin 17mm swivel ball socket mounting pattern. Many of the Garmin Street Pilot devices also share this pattern. There are a few different versions of the Garmin holder, but they each function basically the same way. On the backside of the Garmin holder is a 17mm ball socket. You'll need to line up the 17mm ball head of the lighter socket pedestal with that socket. Carefully and firmly press a ball into the socket to make that connection. A decent amount of force must be used to make this connection. Next, we'll install the pedestal into the car's lighter socket or 12-volt accessory outlet. To do this, simply open the flap or cover on your car's lighter socket and insert the shaft of the pedestal that has the power prongs on into the slot. Use the pedestal center adjustment knob to adjust the positioning of the head of the mount for optimal viewing. A small wing nut at the top of the pedestal also allows for additional adjustment up or down in the positioning of the mount. Now let's connect the Garmin GPS to the lighter socket pedestal. Hold the lighter socket pedestal with one hand while you press a Garmin GPS onto the 17mm ball head of the pedestal. The mount is now installed in your vehicle. If you have a car charger for your Garmin, you can plug it into the accessory power dongle that's attached to the mount. Connect the other end of the charger into the mini USB connector located on your Garmin GPS. When I want to remove the Garmin GPS from the lighter socket mount, I'll hold and support the pedestal with one hand while I push up the tab on the Garmin GPS. For some other models of Garmin GPS, there's an easy push button at the bottom of the holder that you can use to quickly and safely remove your GPS from the holder. ARKON's GN097 is a sensible alternative mount for your Garmin GPS, particularly if your lighter socket mount is positioned higher up on the console. If it's lower, be sure to avoid looking down at the GPS and follow all safety warnings provided by the GPS manufacturer. For more information on this or other mounts for your Garmin GPS, please visit www.arkon.com.